In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business cards in Microsoft Word. Using a ready-made design makes it easier to create professional-looking business cards without having to build the entire layout from scratch. To begin, open Microsoft Word and select File from the menu. Then choose New to access the available document designs. In the search bar, type Business Cards and press Enter. Microsoft Word will display a variety of business card designs that you can choose from. Take a moment to look through the available options and find a design that fits the style you want. Each design may have a different layout, font style, and arrangement of information, so choose one that works well for your business or personal needs. When you find a design you like, select it to view a larger preview. Review the design carefully and make sure the overall layout works for the information you want to include. Once you're satisfied with your selection, select Create. Microsoft Word will then open the business card design as a new document. From here, you can begin customizing the information. Replace the sample text with your own business details, such as your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, or other contact information you want to display. You can also make changes to the existing content and adjust the design to suit your preferences. Since the basic layout is already prepared, you can focus on entering your information and making the card look the way you want. As you customize the business card, keep the information clear and easy to read. Avoid adding unnecessary details that could make the card look crowded. A simple and organized design can make your contact information much easier for people to find. Once you've finished making your changes, review the entire business card carefully. Check the spelling of names, contact information, company details, and any other important information before using the finished design. And that's how you can create business cards in Microsoft Word using a ready-made design. With Word, you can start with an existing layout and customize it to create a professional business card that suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,